Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by consolidating material. Drop your notes, PDF, and research into one Notebooklm project so the model can retrieve facts. Once done, seed a one-page outline and a sample chapter to establish tone and voice. This gives the assistant a concrete style to mimic. Make sure to tag files by chapter or theme and enable retrieval for the project. Now open the new notebook and ask for a chapter-by-chapter expansion plan that fits your target word counts. You move into drafting by prompting Notebooklm to expand outline bullets into full chapters. Request length ranges and narrative beats so it stays focused. Then iterate. Ask for alternative openings, tighter scenes, or deeper character motives. Compare variants and combine the best lines. Once you have a draft, export it, edit in your word processor, and re-upload the edited file so Notebooklm learns your revisions. Also use retrieval queries mid-draft to cross-check facts, continuity, and earlier plot points as you progress. You finish by asking Notebooklm for a comprehensive copy edit. Tighten sentences, unify voice, and fix consistency across chapters. Then export final files to docx or PDF, check formatting, headers, page breaks, and table of contents, and perform one last read for pacing. If Notebooklm hallucinates facts or omits citations, attach the exact source snippets, prompt it to prefer supplied documents, and clear prior context before rerunning the request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.